guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I am going to be doing my July Boxycharm unboxing. So I am going to go ahead and say I already opened this box and went through it, and to be honest, it is not my favorite box. There are a couple things I'm going to use, but there's also a couple things I'm not even going to use. I'm going to go ahead and put them straight towards my giveaway, which if you're interested in finding more about that, then just keep watching this video for more details. Alright you guys, as I said, I already opened this box and went through it, and this month's theme is sunshine, which is very fitting for the summer. So the first thing in here, which was my choice item, is this Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. This retails for $49.95, and it says it's a mix of powerful pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. So I love how we're getting more options for skincare, because I have a lot of makeup, so it's nice to get other things. And this is really nice. Just look how nice this bottle is. I think it's a glass bottle, but I'm actually gonna go ahead and just put this on my face. I do have a vitamin C lotion serum thing that I already use, and I use that at night, and this says it can be used morning and night. I just did one drop. It feels really good, and it smells like, I think it smells like watermelon. I don't know, it doesn't have a strong smell. It doesn't smell artificial or anything. I'm just working that into the skin, and that's gonna be my primer. It feels really nice. So honestly, this is my favorite thing in the box, and pretty much this alone covers the cost of the box, because I pay $25 a month, so this alone covers all of it. So honestly, can't complain for that alone. Next I got this StudioMakeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. This retails for $25. I do not like cream eyeshadows. I'm not even gonna swatch this, try it on. This is gonna be going straight into my giveaway box. I had mentioned in a previous video that I'm starting a box for a giveaway. Once I get 100 subscribers on my channel, I will do a giveaway. If I get to more and more, I'll do more giveaways, but I'm just starting off with that one. Also this, which is this Lavis Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner, and this is $17. So I actually already have something like this I got off of Amazon. It's the exact same size, but this was $7. So I'm using this. So again, I don't need this. So this will also be going into the giveaway. So that's 2 items out of the 5 that are in the giveaway. The rest of the other 2 items that I have yet to try on are face products. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do my base and then come back and finish off the rest of the box. Okay guys, I'm back. I honestly didn't really do much. I just put this BB cream on and a smidge of concealer, and then a little bit of highlighter, and that's all. I'm gonna try to tan after this, so I didn't want all my makeup to go to waste, because I'm just gonna melt anyways. So this next thing I got is this Alamar Cosmetics, just kidding, not Alamar Cosmetics, Ace Beauté, I'm not sure what it is, but it's a Bronze in Paradise palette. We have gotten an eyeshadow palette from them before. This is $30, and it has a very wide range of different colors. I don't know which, if they're all just one shade, or if they have deep dark or whatever, but I feel you got light, medium, and pretty dark on there. So I'm going to go in this one right here. Ooh, pretty powdery, and see how this, oh wow, that's pigmented. And then you could also use this as crease shades. This one is too dark for me, but I could definitely use that to smoke out outer corners or something. But I'm not a huge fan of face palettes, because I feel the majority of the face palettes I have, I only like maybe 1 or 2 things from them. So that's why I tend to just get like singles or something, because it's very rare that I will get a palette that I like the whole thing. But hey, if you have one that you like everything in them, good for them. Let me know what it is, because I would like to know. Because I would like a face palette for traveling, because I feel like if you just have one palette that had blush, highlighter, contour, everything that worked for your skin tone, that would be great. But I don't have something like that in my collection. So that is what we have with this. I think it's really pretty. I was kind of skeptical at first, but I think it turned out really good. I hear you, I know you're all done. Sorry, William is eating and he wants to get out. Last thing I have in here is Alamar Cosmetics Birthday Suit Lip Gloss, which retails for $15. We have gotten Alamar Cosmetics before. I think we got a brush set from them. I have a cheek palette, which is it's a cheek blush palette, and I love all the colors in it. So I'm excited for this lip gloss. Here's the doe foot. It's kind of like a thinner one. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on. Let me get a mirror so I can see what I'm doing. And this is the last thing in here. I don't know if I said how much it is, but it is $15. It kind of like reminds me of the Fenty gloss, but a little thicker. But it's like a nice nude color. This will go with like so many different skin tones. It's a little thicker than I like, but it's not sticky, which is good because I don't like super sticky glosses. But yeah, guys, that is the finished look using the July Boxycharm. Again, like I said, there's some hits and some misses, but let me know what you guys got in your box and if you liked it or not. Again, make sure to stay tuned on my channel for the giveaway. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe so you can enter the giveaway whenever it comes up. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.